Unity versus Unreal, classical age-old question that anybody interested in becoming a game programmer is thinking about. Should I start with the Unity game engine or Unreal? Frankly, the choice doesn't matter. The biggest problem that people end up doing when they're just getting started in game development is that they pick an engine, they start working on it, and in 1 or 2 months they jump onto something else. They go from Unity, they go to Unreal, then they pick up Godot, they pick up some other C++ engine, they keep hopping. As a result, at the end of a year where they would have spent time building their tools and skill set within game industry, they would know 20% of 5 different engines. And that hurts your skill and chances of getting into the industry. Instead, what you need to do is that pick one engine, whichever you feel is the right one, and then directly go deep into it. If you're not sure of it, pick either Unity or Unreal, right? It doesn't matter. But majority of the time people start with Unity because it's just easier to get started with the C# programming language versus C++ programming language, which Unreal uses. So if you're in confusion, start with Unity, but my hard suggestion is that you stick with one, and that's where you'll be able to learn 80% depth of that engine before you jump into other things. Once, remember, you have learned the fundamentals of game development with one engine, after that you will be able to transfer that knowledge into other engines because the core part of each engine remains the same. The way they work on collisions, the way they work on physics, the way they work on animations, a lot of these things are actually similar from a fundamental level. So if you have learned one engine, you do not need to worry about learning another one. At least it will not take you that long. You'll be able to do it in 1/10 the amount of time. So pick one engine, stick with it. If you're in doubt, start with Unity because it's easy to get started. Thank you.